Welcome to another Dishes by MI video. As you see here today, we have bananas and we have mangoes. So I'll be doing a banana mango smoothie. It's a bit different from the usual, but I'm sure you guys will love it. So if you want to learn how to make a banana mango smoothie, stay tuned. Okay, so the ingredients we're going to need for this recipe are 1 sliced banana, 1 cubed mango, a large one, anyone that doesn't have a lot of hairs in there, like a Julie, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of ice, 1 container of yogurt. I use a peach flavor because it gives it a nice undertone, but you can use any flavor you want. And last but not least, we're going to need 1 tablespoon of honey. Of course, we're going to need a blender too. So the first thing we're going to do is add our mangoes. Then we're going to add our bananas. Then we're going to add our tablespoon of honey. Then we're going to add our yogurt. Then our ice. Bruh. And last but not least, milk. We're going to put our top on and blend it until smooth. And we're finished. Pour it into your favorite glass and enjoy. If you've made it to the end of the video, I just want to say a big thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see me do next. Until next time, walk good.